Hi, we are Mrs. and Mr. Garcia. We come from Madrid, Spain.
And we are very happy to be here in the Šiluvos Bienale.
Yeah.
We came with one project. It's called BRIGTH PEOPLE, and we have made a site-specific installation of a bright person called Antano Vivulskio. Is the architect.
You can see it behind us.
And it's,
on the yellow house.
And we put it in the little yellow house that we have over there. And it's a project of big format portraits that they work with the wind and with the sun and with all the atmospheric agents.
Yeah, we're really happy to be here. We work basically using faces because that's what people have seen, you know, from the antiquity to these days, from Roman coins to Zoom meetings, you get faces. And the thing is that we don't believe that people change, you know, just like our portraits. That's the thing that we do, use different pieces that move along with everything.
Mauro.
This is our son Mauro, by the way.
It's Mini Garcia.
Yeah.
Say hi. Say hi.
In any case.
This is your bright people. So what you are trying
to achieve with it?
Yeah.
Well, we believe we are all bright somehow. You know, that we have great things that we share, and sometimes we aren't even aware of what's good in us, and we want to celebrate that. We believe that work is something that we believe that art is something that we go to in order to identify ourselves with whatever is human in all of us, and we choose different characters, and what we want to do is to make the viewer feel that somehow they're home, you know, that they're close to people they could, you know, be friend with, and they could enjoy.
And what about material? How are you trying to express the person, the personality?
Well, we've been working on this for a long time, and we realized we wanted to get rid of the colors because the nature actually provides all the colors. You know, our pieces work like thousands of different mirrors that will get some of the atmosphere around it. You know, that's why we don't use too many colors, because you know, everything which is in front of it actually provides the color for our pieces. The thing is that you know, even though it may look simplistic in some ways, our pieces they move all the time. They change with the light. They change with the wind. They work really well
like
outside.
Like the persons.
So, in the end, they are like people, you know. I mean, we may think that we have the same face all the time, but we are ever changing, which is great.
And what about lightning? You know, really?
Oh, the bright side. Well,
Side of material.
yeah, but
About wind. About how
It's about this project is from BRIGTH PEOPLE, that it's bright outside and it's bright inside. So you can scan with the QR code, and you can read about why it's bright inside. So you have the explanation, putting your mobile phone and scanning.
thing is, we believe that images show, but words explain, you know. So we always use words in all of our projects because we want to show that whoever is there had something to say to the world, and that's why we use text. You know, we provided a QR code that anyone can go and they will scan it and they will find a text on Antoni, and why the reason why we wanted to come here so much to get this piece here on that wall.
And this is site-specific object. How you decided the place for the portrait?
She did. I didn't.
we walk around the town, and this dream town, because it's all full of really beautiful small houses of wood that is like a fairy tale. They are really cozy and beautiful, and we were looking a place that it was near the chapel that designed Antoni. We want a place near, and with a little bit of perspective for see it for many points of the different the big square.
The one thing that we are lucky is that we work really well with intuition, and she's got this great intuition in order to find the right place for pieces. And after that, she tries to explain why it was the right place. But we all see that, she's always right. I don't know. I just think that it is the right place for it. And when we were working on it, it felt like he deserved to be there.
Your project is really the only one which worked together with architecture. So what is your impression when you see this chapel, this architect art piece, and relate it with your creation process? How it is your impression was here in Šiluvos about this chapel, and you thought about this person. So now what do you feel? What you can share with us, how this helped you to understand what you've done, or what is your...
¿Me dejas?
Please.
Okay, she studied architecture, and I remember I was living in Barcelona, and she took me to the Mies Van der Rhoe's house there in Barcelona, and she explained it to me, and I just fell in love with her, because I could see that there were ways of creating something out of a space which felt like home. And while thinking of Antoni's personality and what he did, I just went back to that great quotation, by Mies Van der Rhoe, that he said that, God is in the detail, meaning that everything, there is a space for everything, and every space on earth is for human beings. And we just thought it was the right thing. So for us, it was like something that came from something we had enjoyed many years ago, and it was still present in our lives. And now, lo and behold, it found the right place here in Šiluvos, by Antoni's chapel, and with his face on a wall.
Thank you.